Okay, from there.
If you want to be fancy, we're gonna go. This is an extension of the Philly cheesesteak episodes, all the stuff we had left over, except we didn't have any meat left over, a little bit of mushrooms, and we're gonna use chicken, but you'll see. We'll present it all in a genuine fashion. All right, so chicken fajitas, easy. Let's do this. This is chicken breast. These are all our leftovers from the Philly cheesesteak. Limes, cumin, chili powder, soy sauce, special blend. That's not so special. Sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, and smoked paprika. And we also have a secret ingredient that is completely non-traditional because I don't care about tradition. You'll hear about that later. All right, first thing first, we got a bag. We're gonna put the chicken in it. Gonna squeeze a little lime juice. We're gonna dust it with the seasoning. Put a little bit of that soy sauce. Let's go. Real lime, don't use that fake stuff. I don't know, I always shake everything, do you guys? I smell it too. I don't know how much, I just put it. Yeah. So it looks good. Yeah. See, it's kind of like, you don't need a lot because we're salting this stuff. The oregano, just a little bit. Mexican oregano would be perfect, but gotta go with what you got. And that chili pepper, just a little bit. So I got cumin seeds, I don't know if you can see that. Not as pungent as the ground stuff. They stay fresher. And it has a better flavor, I think. Not as overpowering. Cumin gets a bad rap. So we're just gonna crush it in our hands. A little bit of oil. Whatever you got on hand. And just let it sit for like an hour if you want. 10 minutes, whatever. Whatever time you got. Smells good. We're gonna put the onion, just like the Philly cheesesteak. We're gonna put the onions first, then we're gonna put the bell peppers, mushrooms, and all that. It's the same thing. Except we are gonna add the seasoning, the dust on it, and then the chicken. We put the lime in there. It's all gonna mix together. It's gonna be good. You can't mess this up. You could just use salt and pepper if you want to be crazy or lazy. We're gonna be crazy. A little bit of oil. See, now it's hot. This is good. Planning. Oh yeah, we added tomatoes to that, some old ones, so we're just throwing them in there. Yeah, you do a Philly cheesesteak. If you have leftovers, you could do the chicken fajitas or vice versa, whatever. Freestyle. How's your day going? These people go out and they spend 20 bucks on fajitas. It's just easy. Look at this cut cook. I dare you. Actually, it's edible, these things. You like them really sauteed or you like them feel kind of crunchy?
I like the bell peppers crunchy.
Ah, so those are done. We're going to add the chicken separately. We're going to put these aside and go from there. All right, so we're going to throw in the chicken. We cleaned our pan. We're going to throw in the chicken. But first, we're going to dry it off. That marinade has been absorbed. If you throw it in wet, it's not going to get that caramelizing that we want. And there you have it. You can hear it. It's like a mucous membrane. All right, it's good enough. Much better. See all that moisture? That's just kind of like steaming. We don't want that. Wash your hands, people. Look at that smoke. We're just gonna do a quick bam, and then let's go. Don't want to overcut it. Don't want to move it too much. And if it doesn't smell as strong as it should, put a little more seasoning on it. Smells good though. Smells like asada. See? You don't want to move it or anything because, yeah, actually it's got a good sear on it already. Well, see, like that one's not moving. So we'll just hold off a little bit. Be patient, people. This isn't fast food. Enjoy it. This is therapy. Can't you tell? So you see how like the moisture is starting to beat up? That's how you measure it. You don't need no thermometers or anything. But see, this one's pretty much halfway done. Halfway done, halfway done. This is almost there. It's thicker, you can tell. So we're gonna finish this on the Comal. Is it Comal or Comal?
Comal.
It's gonna get a good sear on this side too. Finish with the rest of the chicken. Mix it all together. Make our guacamole. Surprise. So we're just gonna cut the chicken while this one's cooking. Just gonna cut it into strips. It's juicy. You don't even need to heat up the vegetables and the chicken again. It's been sitting for like 15 minutes because the Comal is hot. You'll see. You'll hear the sizzle. You're used to it in those restaurants. It's cool. It's a good presentation, but you don't gotta do it. But we're gonna do it. Why not? It's our second episode. We're gonna put the vegetables on the bottom, just so the chicken don't overcook. Now this is where it gets real, because guacamole I am avocado and salt, that's it. No tomato, none of that BS. People have just corrupted guacamole, putting sour cream, putting all this weird stuff in it, waters it down. We're gonna do avocado my way, guacamole my way, whatever you want to call it. What do you want to call it? I don't care. We're gonna do it my way. Watch this. So there you go. Let the pits fall where they may. And squeeze. This is guacamole here. Look at that. Put it all over the table. It's beautiful. I love it. It's rustic. There we go. Have fun with your food. Be happy you're eating. People go and they eat now. Just be happy. Lick your fingers. Wash your hands, people. Alright, people. This is our utensil of choice for the guacamole. Besides the wall. Guacamole is salt specifically designed for guacamole. And then we're going to smash it. And this is still, you saw how stupid I did. I just did like a joke. And it's still 1,000 times better than any restaurant that you go to that does it tableside, charge you $15 Frida.
El Torito.
They left the Y off the Friday, and so they called it Frida. That place. This is our secret ingredient. So good. It's 50-50 mix. Look it up. I ain't sponsored by nobody, like I said. It's 50% corn, 50% flour. Man, it's like a flour tortilla and a corn tortilla. There you go. Don't fry them up like if you're making like tostadas or taquitos, because it fries up like a flour tortilla. It smells like corn and flour. Who would have thunk? And I just do them 2 at a time. You don't want to let them burn, obviously. Like any tortilla. What am I talking about? You just want to make them malleable. Good? Mm-hmm. There we go. That's it. Good. There we go. That's it. You could serve it like this at the table. Bam. You could keep the tortillas going. Bam. Keeps everything warm. That's it. And there you have it. You could put, and if you want, you could put like sour cream, salsa, all that shit. Cheese if you want. I don't know. I could have chopped the chicken a little bit smaller, but I find that it dries it out a little bit too much. I don't like that shit. This is all excess from the Philly cheesesteak. And the tortillas just set it off. Got the corn flavor, but that malleability of the flour. It's the best of both worlds. La Tortilla Factory. I'm hollering at you. Come at me. And the guacamole. Because that's how it should be. Not filled with tomatoes and sour cream and cilantro and lettuce. They put on lettuce. Oh man, get out of here. Would you like some? On camera? Pásale. I am the media. How's the guacamole?
Perfect. Not good in the back.
This is a new channel. We're just starting. Feel free to talk shit. Feel free to compliment. Feel free to ask me to do something else. Feel free. So there you go. We've done a Philly cheesesteak, and with the leftovers, we did a chicken fajitas. And for the next one, we're gonna do something a little bit healthier, probably a pasta salad or something. We'll see. It's still hot, so we're gonna do something cool. This is too fucking hot. Thank you for coming to my kitchen and spending some time with me. Hopefully this gave you a laugh, or you can at least talk shit and do your channel a little bit better than mine, or a lot better. Hopefully this will inspire you to do something, whether it's better or worse. We get have fun, keep eating, be happy, and all that good shit.